See, first you have to install your TrabEdit, then you have to open that TrabEdit here. Then you have to go to type your simple programs, simple HTML codes. You have to go to text editor here and click on the left side here. Folder option will be available. Just click on that. Then here it will going to ask you to create a file. Click on this plus sign and say create new file here. And here you have to give your file name. Here I am going to give a program 1, that is what, or else poem 1 I will give. Okay, poem dot html and save it. Like this you can create your what file here. It will be blank. Here you are going to create your file. See, here one program is already there. I will show you. Sorry. See, already I had created a poem here. Okay. See. Now I had created like this. You all also have to create. See, HTML tag you have to take. Okay. And after that body you have to open. Then say whatever poem name you are going to write, no, that for that you have to take a center tag, and your heading you have to write in the using center tag using h1 heading. Okay, after that your poem should be in paragraph with the center. Okay, then see, I had written, and after one line you have to use a break tag to break your line. Like this you have to use you have to type your poem here. Afterwards whatever tags you are going to open, no, that you have to close. Here I had closed C body and HTML tag. Okay, like that you have to do. See, already I had created. Like this you all also have to complete. Save it and run. See here, like this your poem will be. Poem will be like this only, no, you all can see, with the paras, right? So you have to create like this. Got it? Hope you all understood. Center tag here I used to take my text in the center. See, on the screen you can see this my way. This heading is in center. In the web page it is center, right? How? By using this center tag here, right? Center. And these all paras also in center. How? I use these all paras also within a center tag only. Correct? So for that only these all paras all are there in center only. Okay, and here I used a break tag. So after one line, for every line I used a break tag here to break my line. Okay, break directly you can take br, and I used a para here. Para I used here, and I closed this para after completion of what? My poem here. And I closed body tag also here, and I closed HTML tag also. If you are not going to close now, it is going to show you error. See, I will show you here. Save and run. See, there will be a problem. Okay, so you have to close this HTML. You have to close this HTML tag here. Save it and run. Okay, understood now all of you?